Here are 10 websites that can pay you starting from $20 to $100 per day. No experience is needed and you can use them worldwide. Yes, you heard me right. It doesn't matter where you are. You can use them worldwide as long as you have your internet connection and Wi-Fi. You can even start with a smartphone if that's what you have. So let's get into the video. So guys, as I have told you, in this video I'm going to show you how you can start making your $20 to $100 daily using your smartphone, your tablet or your laptop, even without experience. And the first website we are going to go to is this website, which is called Ysense. Yes, and Ysense is a platform where they pay you for answering questions. In this video, I've started with the easy one, the beginner friendly ones that you can start right away, even with your phone. You don't need any skill to start working with Ysense. And the the good thing about it, they pay you as long as you reach $5, then you are eligible to get paid. So there are so many questions that you can answer here and get paid, and you can also play games and earn. And if you want to join, I'll also leave the link in the description below so that you can go ahead and join. So you can come here and play games too. If you have your free time, maybe at work, you can just come here, play all of these games. As you can see, this game you can earn up to $41. This game you can earn up to $32. This one you can earn up to $237, and you can still also do surveys. You can also still complete surveys, play games, and you can also refer other people. Maybe you have a friend who needs some extra money, then you can refer them to this website, and you can also earn. Any person you refer, you will earn. So I'll also leave the link in the description below. If you feel like you want to start with Ysense, then you can go ahead and start. It's beginner friendly and easy to use. To sign up, you will need an email address and a password, nothing else, and they'll be asking you questions about daily life, maybe about the food you eat, maybe about certain websites, about cars you love, things like that. So you'll be giving them your opinion and they'll be paying you for your opinion. And this is going to bring us to our next website, which is also beginner friendly. This is Time Bucks, and you also need an email address and a password to sign up. So you can also come here and do all of these surveys and get paid for these surveys. So as you can see, these people here, they are getting paid. As you can see, this one earned in the last 37 minutes ago. This one also earned in the last 37 minutes ago. Yes, and it's worldwide. As I told you, you can do this in any country you have. So it is not limited for the people in the US, UK. No, you can do it in any country you are in. As I'm recording this video, I'm in Turkey right now, but I still use these websites. Yes, so you can still use them. It doesn't matter your location. So you can go ahead and use these ones, and you can also play games, and they also give cash prizes in this website. So if anybody gets the amount they have put for that certain day, then they will give you a cash prize for that. And you can also answer surveys here. You can also play games on this website. So you just come here, click on where it says earn, then you start earning in any way you want, either by playing games, either by playing games, completing surveys, completing tasks, doing offer wars, watching adverts. Yes, you can watch adverts and get paid for that. So here they will give you different things that you can do to get earn. It's beginner friendly and it's easy to use. So I'll leave also a link to Time Bucks in the description below. If you feel like you want to join, you can go ahead and join using the link in the description below. Then this is going to bring us to our next website, which is Click Workers. Yes, Click Workers, it's going to help you to earn money, and you are also going to help them do this work for them. Data service entry. Yes, you'll be helping them to to enter data for certain companies. There are certain companies that need people to help them to answer some questions, to put in data for themselves, for the companies using their phones. As I told you, you see these people are using phones. You can help them to train AI. As I always tell you, AI will never be a human being. It can't replace human beings. It always makes mistake if you don't give it the right prompt. So this is where you come in as at Clickworkers. You help them to train their AIs, put in the right information, collect what AI has done wrong, and you can also help them to market, and you can earn like that. And you can register here. You put in your email address and password, so you can register as a customer if you want to sell something here, or you want your problem to be solved by Clickworkers. But you can also register as a worker to earn money. So as you can see here, you register in as a worker to earn money. So you just click on that arrow and it will take you to their page to register and start earning. So you, as you see here, they are telling you make money from anywhere at any time. So it doesn't matter where you are, you can still make money anywhere at any time. Yes, and you just come here, sign up. When you sign up, you start working. You see the work that you can do and you start working, and all you need is your phone, yes, to get started. So if you are going to try any of these side hustles, put it in the comment section down below so that I can make a full detailed video about each side hustle. Yes, so this is going to bring us to our next job that we can do to get 10, 20 to $100 per day. And this is freelancer. Yes, here on freelancer, people come here to hire freelancers. But if you don't want to hire, you can also still come here and earn money. Yes, you can come here and click where it says earn money, and you sign up and start working with them. Here on freelancer, you are going to get jobs that people in big companies need help with. So here they are showing you companies they have worked with. They have worked with companies like Facebook, Google, and so much more. So when you sign up here, you will get paid and you'll be happy. So you can come here and sign up and start looking for the job that you want to do. So you just come here, put in your information, and signing up is not difficult, and you are good to go. So you are good to go. So this is easy and very quick to join. Yes, so that you can get paid starting from $20 to $100 per day. They hire freelancers. You can help them to write, you can help them to proofread, and so many different things. This is going to take us to our next platform that you can join to start earning from $20 to $100 per day. So this is Upwork. Yes, maybe you've heard it or you've not heard about it. And here you can come here and search for talent, for any person who wants to grow their business. They need person to help them maybe plan their content, maybe help them to ghostwrite and do so many things. You can come here on Upwork. But since we are here to find jobs, so you just click here on where it says browse jobs. So you click here on where it says browse jobs, you sign up, fill in your profile, and you get paid for every job that you have done. And you can come here and sign up as a developer in IT, design and creative, AI service, sales and marketing, writing and translation, yes, finance. All of these ones you can help do at Upwork, and you will get paid for your services. Yes, and this is going to bring us to our next website, which is Flex Jobs. Yes, this is a number one site for remote workers. So you can come here and sign up to get your remote work. Yes, you can do this from home. As I told you, all of these things that I'm showing, all these jobs, you can work from home. And here they are showing you companies they have worked with. They have worked with Amazon, they have worked with Google, they have worked with so many of them. Yes, so you just come here and sign up and search for jobs. Yes, and you get hired. So what you need, you just come here, sign up, and see which job that you can do. Yes, as I've told you, you can come here and search. So as you can see here, they're telling you find your next job. So if you click on that, it's going to take you to the page where you can find your job. So you can put here if you want to work 100% remote work, hybrid remote work, or option for remote work. So you put in what you want and they will help you to search the job that you want. Then this is going to take us to our next job that you can do to get paid. This is Grammarly, and you can use this to create your digital products and sell them here. But if you didn't know, also Grammarly has an affiliate network. So if you don't want to create the digital products by yourself, then you can come here and promote other people's digital products on Grammarly. Or you can still do both. You can create your digital products and sell them here, or you can go ahead still and promote other people's digital products. So it will depend on you. You can either market for others and get a commission, or you can create your own digital product. So you can do this. It's also simple and easy. It's not difficult. I've talked about Grammarly in most of my videos on how you can create a digital product and upload it there. But I had never talked about becoming an affiliate. So you can become an affiliate on Grammarly and earn that way, or you can create digital products and sell. So when it comes to this platform Grammarly, you have two ways that you can use to earn. You can sell your own products, or you can promote other people's products, and it's free to start. You don't have to pay any upfront fees to start affiliate marketing or to post your digital products. It's free to start. All the websites I've talked about here so far, they are free to start to use. Yes, and this is going to bring us to our next platform that we can use to make money. This is Amazon KDP. If you don't know what Amazon KDP is, Amazon KDP is part of Amazon, but this one is mainly for publishers. So you can publish your books, create your books maybe in Canva or any platform you are using, and publish them on Amazon KDP. And if a person buys your book, Amazon will go ahead, as you can see I'm doing this also. So Amazon will go ahead to do the printing of that book, to do the shipping of that book to the customer's address, and they will give you a percentage of that money, which is called royalties. Yes, and they will give you that. Yes, so you can go ahead and create your books in Canva, in Bookboard. I've also done a video showing you how you can create your book for Amazon KDP. So this is another, and a good thing about this one, why I like it more, it's more passive, because if you create your book once and market it properly, it can be making you money from year to year. For example, this Christmas book I created here, people can buy it for this Christmas, they will still buy it for next year's Christmas and different more Christmases to come. Then that means I have created this book once and it will be making me money on autopilot, yes, from time to come. And this is going to bring us to our next website that you can join and start making money, and this is Etsy. Yes, there are so many videos out there saying Etsy is oversaturated, Etsy is this and this, but if you strategize and do your market research, I always tell you, do your market research before you go ahead and post any product. Yes, so here on Etsy you can sell your own digital products, and you can also do affiliate marketing for Etsy. You can promote Etsy itself as a platform and earn money. Yes, so if you want, you can choose any of that. You can create your digital product and post it there on Etsy, list it there for people to buy, or you can go ahead and market it to others. Anybody who wants to join Etsy and they use your link, you get a commission for that. Yes, and on Etsy you can create digital products, you can sell physical products, so it will depend on you. The sky is the limit. Yes, and as I've told you, I'm going to put the links to most of these websites in the description below. And this is going to bring us to our last website, which can pay you $20 to $100 per day, and this is Fiverr. Yes, this is Fiverr, and Fiverr is also a platform where you can come and find work. Yes, because you can come here and post anything that you can do. Can you design? Nowadays we have AI. Are you now advanced in AI? Can you create good AI prompts? You can come here and sell that as a service, and you will get paid. So you can do programming and tech, you can do graphic designing, you can do digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation. You can do AI services. So if we click here on AI services, there are people who want to use AI, but they don't know how. Do you know that you can start a business on AI services, maybe teaching people how to write the right prompt to put in ChatGPT? So you can come here. As you see, there are over 100k plus AI services, and they are providing these to people, and people are buying these products. So you can come here and create your product that you want. Maybe it's a service about AI, maybe about video animation. Yes, and you get paid for that. And here they are showing you what's trending, what you can jump in and start earning cash right away. So here they are showing you what's really trending. They are showing you publishing books is trending, book editing, children book illustration is trending, um, adverts, AI, and all of that. So you can come here and create your skill, and people will be buying that skill from you. And if this video has been of help to you, don't forget to like, to comment, to subscribe, and to share. See you in the next video.